Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset TCL TV without any remote. I will show you how to reset any TCL without remote. I am doing this by a wireless keyboard. This is its dongle, Wi-Fi dongle. You can also do this by a wired keyboard if you doesn't have the wireless keyboard. So first of all, plug in the wireless dongle into the back side of your TCL TV in any USB port. I will plug the dongle in the USB port on the back of my TV. First of all, press the enter key from the keyboard and the settings will be displayed. Now scroll down to system and press the right arrow. Now press down arrow to go to reset shop. Press enter here. When you press enter, you will see a password prompt. If you have doesn't change the password, its default password is 1234. So I will press 1234. I think number pad of this keyboard doesn't work, so I will use the other side numbers. These key will work as numbers. After pressing the code, you will see a confirmation message that are you sure you want to do the selected action. Now select OK and press enter. You are watching system resetting. No message has been displayed. Wait for some time. After 10 or 15 seconds, the TCL logo will displayed and our TV is back to no factory settings. Now do the initial settings. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.